Hello sir, welcome to this video. In this video, I will discuss your cupcake company which you want a responsive website development, and I have developed a website for you. I am MD Alal from Bangladesh and I am a professional website developer. First of all, I read your full description where you want the website homepage and cupcake page, then product description, which mean cupcake product description, price, and website page like about us, frequently asked question, contact us page, terms and condition page, and last the social icon. Also lastly you gave a logo for your website. So let's look at my entry to get the link to the website that I have developed for you. So this is my entry. You can see my entry number is 108. So click on this entry and here I gave the website link which I developed for you, mean your cupcake company. So just copy the website link and opening a new tab, then paste and go to your website. So this is your brand website which I developed for your company, and combine the color of the website with your logo. First, I added a slider. You can see some text here, and then the About Us section where you describe your about your organization, I mean Cupcake company details and some of popular product, a video and some testimonial of your customers. Let's took a feature of this website. This means a customer can order a cupcake at will. So here is the cupcake name and price, then some information about this cupcake, and here is the size. I can choose the size of my mine. So I choose the large size. You can see $20, and then the select source. I can choose any type of source. So here is the source, and if I want to cheese with the pizza, I mean cupcake, I can choose a cheese, and topping, also dressing, and the custom price where the customer can order the product at the price of his choice. So I just choose in $50, $10, and extra you can. So I choose all of extras and some additional information if I want to special. So I write a note for the company and then order now. and you can see our product has been added our cards.
তোর এটা কি রেকর্ডিং চালু আছে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এটা কিছু করিস না,
রেকর্ডিং চালু কেন?
এটা আমি একটা ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি, আমাকে শেষ করে দিবি।
কি ভিডিও বানাচ্ছিস? অলরেডি এখানে রেকর্ডিং হতে গেছে।
এটা তুই করছিস, এটা কষ্টটা তো তুই করলি এখনই। So I think you should check this website for yourself and check out the website features. There are many features of website and many more pages in this website. You can see home, about, blog, shop, contact us page, cart page, and this website layout is fully responsive. Hopeful this website is right for your cupcake company. So please make me the winner on your contest. This is my entry so that I can hand over this website on your server. And if you have any customization and any requirements, please you share with me your customization and requirements. Thank you.